Hello everyone. Today I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create a product as well as some product options to go with that product. And let's go ahead and start. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go into your administrative panel. In our case, it's super panel. Yours may have been renamed to admin and a bunch of numbers, or whatever else you may have renamed it to. So let's go ahead and go to Catalog Products. I'm already in here, and hit Add New. So you can see here it's asking us for the name of the product. I'm going to go ahead and call this Test Product 1. Um, and so this is a standard product. You can also create virtual products for downloads and other stuff. Um, so let's go ahead and type a short description. This is a short description to a product. This is a much longer description to a product sold here on our website. Don't forget to type in some tags. This can help with search bar as well as any other Google searches. So we're going to call this product, hit enter for the next tag, item, and I don't know what else. So once you have all that set, go ahead and hit save and stay. Don't hit save. We still want to do a few other things on here. So now we can go over to prices. We're going to make the retail price 1. The wholesale price is so that you can kind of keep track of how much you're making. You don't really have to set it. So set your retail price to 1, save and stay. And then our product options. So our product options like drop downs, radio buttons, all that stuff can be created inside of combinations. So combinations, once you go in here, you'll see that there's nothing in here for you to create. Even if you create new combinations, the combination types that you may want might not be in here. So what you'll have to do is go over on the left menu here, and let's open this in a new tab. So we're going to want to create some product attributes. And these product attributes are basically options to your product. So we're going to want to create a new product attribute called expansion pack. So let's create a new expansion pack. And this is an internal name as well as the public name. That's about it. Oh, we can set our attribute type, so a drop down, a radio button, or color and texture. We're not really doing color, so let's go ahead and do drop down list. Hit save. So you can see now it's in here. Go ahead and click on it so we can add a couple expansions to it. So we're going to call this expansion DLC1. You can hit save, then add another to quickly create multiple of them. You can also, from in here, you can create it to multiple. You can set it to different features, but we want expansion pack. So save, add another, DLC2, save, DLC number 3. So that's about it. Let's hit cancel because we don't need to create anymore. So let's go ahead and go back to the product. So we're in the product. You're not going to see it in here unless you refresh, but a quick way to refresh without doing any damage is just hit save and stay. We can go in here, we can hit new combination. So you can also use the product combination generator. This is very useful if you're starting a new product and you want to go ahead and create a whole bunch of them. But if you're editing a product, you may want to add a single one at a time. Because you might have some other ones in there that you don't really want to mess around with. So expansion pack, let's go ahead and add value 1. You can only add one at a time, so once you've added that, we can go down here and set. So if you pick DLC 1, the price stays the same, which is the $1 or $2 that I set. I believe it was 1. So the price stays the same. This does not change. No impact on price. And now we can just go ahead and hit save and stay. you can see it added it in here, expansion pack DLC 1, no impact on price. So let's go ahead and add a new combination, expansion pack DLC 2. So DLC 2 is going to increase in price by about $5. Once you have that set, save and stay. There you go. And then the third one, DLC number 3. So DLC number 3 is going to be $10 extra. Oh, wrong spot. Increase $10. Here we go. Save and stay. Wholesale price is not valid. Oops, that's what I get for putting it in the wrong spot. Add, increase $10, and then save and stay. So now we have those 3 in here. Let's go ahead and say that we want to add a color to expansion pack number 3. So we can go ahead and add a color to DLC 3. And so it's within the same field. So you go ahead and hit the color you want after you've added DLC 3, and you can hit add. So if they pick DLC 3 and they pick the color black, they get a different price. So impact on price, let's say the black edition costs $16, so that's $1 extra than the normal. Save and stay. So now you have DLC 1, 2, and 3, and then DLC number 3 in black. So now you should be able to go over to your shop, and you should see here's your product, and now we have DLC 1, 2, and 3. So you can see this product is $18. This combination does not exist. So if you get that, that means that you need some combinations for DLC 1 and color. So let's go ahead and fix that, because we don't really want to mess with that right now. So I just went ahead and deleted the color. I think I might have to save and stay. Deleted the color, refreshed, color's gone. So now that increases the price. So one of these always has to be default. That's why we were having issues with the color, because I didn't have a default color for 1 and 2. But you can go ahead and create default colors for 1 and 2, or you can just have it not be an available option. So I'm going to go ahead and use the products combination generator. I've deleted all of them so that I can have a fresh start. So products combination generator. I want DLCs 1, 2, and 3. So what you're going to want to do is control click all the options that you want. So I want 1, 2, and 3 available in red, blue, and black. Hit add. So you can see it created combinations for each of these. The impact on the product weight, impact on price. So price on, which one is this? Black, red, white, DLC. So red increases by price 3, 2, 1. Or I can just say 0, 1, 2. Oh, yeah, okay. DLC, $1, $2, $3. Default quantity. If you use the inventory manager, you can set this. If not, inside of preferences or advanced parameters, you can disable the inventory manager. I preferably disable it because it's hard to keep up to date with that. So generate these combinations, and you can see now it created a bunch of these for us, which is a lot faster than creating them by hand. And now we can go over here, go to the product, and you can see the 3 colors and the 3 expansion packs. So number 2 has different prices for each color, as well as the expansion pack. Same for this. So the most expensive should be number 3 in red, which is $7. Yep, because each of them goes down by $1. So that should be it. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment, or don't forget to subscribe to our page.